Good morning, subscribers. Welcome to the daily pre-market analysis. SGX Nifty is indicating a negative opening of nearly 200 points. So if you look at this, SGX is being trading at around 17,485, nearly 190 points down. So US markets open after a long weekend, and it ended on a negative note with around 0.5% down, with 173 points down on the Dow Jones. So if you look at the Nifty, yesterday I highlighted that 17,750 could be a resistance zone. Prices acted a major resistance. 17,764 was the high yesterday, and we saw a downward journey. If I just look at the hourly chart over here, index is trading between the gaps zone. If I look at this gap 17,472 to 17,750, the gap is being very important. So I believe as we are opening 200 points down, we ended at around 17,460, 17,651. We may open at around 17,450, 460 levels, and I believe this support area, the gap area, will be a key support zone, and I believe one could look for a long bias at around 17,350, 17,380 zone. So that's the level which I am looking at for a long bias. So keep a watch on this 17,480, 17,380 is 350 is the zone. 360 is the 200 hourly moving average, exponential moving average, which will also act as a support zone. So probably we may open on the downside, and keep a watch on these levels. Even if you look at the daily chart, this low is very crucial, 17,151. So you can keep a stop loss of slightly below 17,150 and look for a long bias trade onto the Nifty. Coming on to the bank Nifty. Yeah. So daily chart wise, yes, we have seen a huge breakout on the flag breakout, which I highlighted yesterday. For the day, the confluence of supports is placed between 39,000 to 39,500 levels. So any dip towards 39,000, 39,200 seems a good accumulation level. So as SGX indicating 200 point down, so a percent down, we may see around 350, 400 points down onto the bank Nifty, being a percentage move. Though bank Nifty is in the recent times is outperforming and not in tandem with the Nifty fall or rise. But if you look at the expectation that a percent down could be at around 39,200, 39,300 can be the open for bank Nifty. And I would definitely look for a long bias in case we dip towards 39,100, 39,300 zone. I believe this zone will be a very important demand zone coming into the picture. The trend change level for me, where the pattern could negate, is only 37,900 levels. Till that, probably I believe we may see 41,000 levels onto the target. So as I suggested yesterday as well, the bullish flag breakout indicates that the momentum is very much stronger, though not a typical textbook flag. But yes, the structure seems very exciting for bulls over here. So any dip, I'll look for the opportunity into the bank Nifty, and if I again, as I said, bank Nifty to Nifty ratio chart, which I've been highlighting for quite long, seems very bullish over here. So any dip towards 2.2, 2.22 seems an attractive buy for bank Nifty as well. One sector you shouldn't miss when the markets is dipping is the power sector, and I have done a video also onto the power sector. This sector is trending very much bullish. If I go on to the this short term charts, look at the yesterday's momentum. We started with a positive momentum, and the gap area over here is acting as a major support zone. So any dip into the power sector towards 5150, 5120 seems an excellent buy onto the power space, especially for a shorter term. I still believe long term is well placed onto the power sector for looking at a target of 55, 5700 into the momentum, which is around 10% from 5100 level. So keep a watch on this power space. Use this today's dip as an opportunity into the power space. The stocks may open on a negative note, but you can look for an huge accumulation into the power space. So that's all, and have a profitable day.